Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check notes history on Instagram. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. I am on my iPhone. You can follow the exact same steps if you are on an Android. So first of all, open up the Instagram app and then tap on your profile on the bottom right and three lines on the top right to head over to the menu, and right from this page tap on your activity, and then you'll have to scroll down to the bottom until you find download your information. You'll have to tap on it and then tap on download or transfer information, and then select your Instagram profile, hit next, and then tap on all available information. And after that you'll have to tap on download to device, and it will be downloaded to your device, and you'll be able to find all the notes history and all the other Instagram account history on your phone. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let